Hey, what is going on guys, Tech Enthusiast here, and this is the unboxing of the Honor View 10. So removing the lid, you are presented with the phone. I'll just put that aside for now and get to the rest of the contents. So here in the small box you have the SIM eject tool, and you've got other stuff inside that box. So here you have the quick starter guide. It is a thick little booklet. I'll just put that aside, and then the warranty card, which will go aside as well. And here is the Tpu case. Yep. So I'll just remove that card, and it's a clear Tpu case. The accessories include the USB Type-C cable, earphones, and the fast charger with a compact design, pushing at the top pin whenever you need to use it. Now with that all out of the way, I'm just going to give it its first boot, which takes about 30 seconds, so I'm going to speed up the video here. So you are greeted with the EMUI logo, and the setup screen looks very similar to the Honor 9, which I unboxed and reviewed last year. So we'll just accept that and agree for the service permissions here. I will be skipping the Wi-Fi setup for speeding up the video. Agree. Set it up as a new device. Skip the data transfer for now. Again with the cloud, not going to enable that. Skip the fingerprint ID for the sake of speeding up the video. And that should do it, and we are in. Okay, and as you can see, it is not stock Android, it is EMUI. So it feels quite good in the hand. It is a 6-inch device, and you've got the dual cameras here. I'm not going to go too much into it, as I will be doing a review which will be coming up on my channel very soon, as well as speed comparisons and camera comparisons. So that does it for this video. Make sure you are subscribed, give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and I will catch up with you in the next video. Oh, and they threw this tripod in as a freebie. I'm not going to be doing any kind of unboxing or a quick look, as I have a load of videos to do and I don't really have time for this. They say it costs about £20, so if you don't have a tripod, it might come in handy. Anyway guys, make sure you are subscribed, and I'll see you very soon.